Current Affairs 7 June 2021. Who has been appointed as the President of Confederation of Indian Industry for 2021-22? A. Sanjeev Bajaj, B. TV Narendran, C. Rahul Sachdeva, D. Pawan Munjal. The answer is B. TV Narendran. Tata Steel's Chief Executive Officer and Managing Director TV Narendran has been elected as the new President of Confederation of Indian Industry. Which technology has been developed by CSIR National Chemical Laboratory in Pune to disinfect water using natural oils? A. Kriya, B. Vasik, C. Swastika, D. Siddhi. The answer is C. Swastika. In which country is the Arctic National Wildlife Refuge, which was in news recently? A. Japan, B. Pakistan, C. America, D. Italy. The answer is C. America. The US administration, led by President Joe Biden, has proposed suspending oil and gases leases in Alaska's Arctic National Wildlife Refuge. MV Express Press Pearl, which sank off the coast of Sri Lanka, belong to which country? A. Israel, B. Singapore, C. India, D. Canada. The answer is B. Singapore. The Singapore-based vessel MV Express Pearl carrying chemicals recently sank off the coast of Sri Lanka. Recently in the news, red tourism is associated with which country? A. China, B. America, C. Pakistan, D. Nepal. The answer is A. China. China started red tourism in the year 2004 to promote places of historical and cultural importance in the history of Communist Party. Its objective is to promote tourism and local businesses in the country. Oleg Novitsky and Pyotr Dubrov, who recently did a 7-hour spacewalk, belong to which country? A. China, B. Russia, C. Japan, D. France. The answer is B. Russia. Two Russian cosmonauts named Oleg Novitsky and Pyotr Dubrov excited the International Space Center on a 7-hour spacewalk to prepare for the arrival of new Russian model. This is the first spacewalk for the two astronauts who arrived in the space station in April. What is the name given to a real-time online map developed for information on vacant beds for COVID-19 patients? A. COVID Map, B. Bed Help, C. Madad Maps, D. Maps Madad. The answer is C. Madad Maps. A group of doctors and professionals of US and Indian origin has launched the first of its kind online map called Madad Maps. This portal uses an algorithm to extract information from all the online aggregators on the availability of hospital bed in each state. In which month of 2021, Indian Railways has set the record for the highest ever freight loading of 114.8 mt? A. March, B. April, C. May, D. June. The answer is C. May. Railways has carried 114.8 million tons of freight in May 2021, an increase of 9.7% over the corresponding period of May 2019. Which state has retained its top position in NITI Aayog SDG India's Index 2020-21? A. Bihar, B. Punjab, C. Jharkhand, D. Kerala. The answer is D. Kerala. Kerala retained its position as the top state with 75 points, followed by Himachal Pradesh and Tamil Nadu with 74 points. Which New Zealand batsman broke the 25-year-old record of former Indian captain Sourav Ganguly for the highest score in his Test debut at Lord's? A. Corey Anders, B. Devon Conway, C. Finn Allen, D. Tom Latham. The answer is B. Devon Conway. The current president of Board of Control for Cricket in India, Ganguly made his Test debut at Lord's in 1996 and scored 131 runs. New Zealand batsman Devon Conway made the highest score of 200 in his Test debut at Lord's. Thank you.